Hello and welcome, and today, I invite you to join me on a journey across our planet from the skies above. We'll soar over continents and oceans, witnessing breathtaking landscapes shaped by nature over millennia. From this aerial vantage, we'll see the Earth as a single, interconnected masterpiece, patterns and connections invisible from the ground. Settle in and let your imagination take flight as we explore the wild beauty of our world from a new perspective. This is more than a tour, it's an immersion into the heart of our planet's wonders. Our journey begins now. Our first stop is North America's Grand Canyon, a colossal scar stretching nearly 300 miles. From above, it's a labyrinth of chasms and mesas, painted in ochre and gold. The Colorado River, a silver ribbon below, has carved this immense gorge over millions of years. Each layer of rock is a chapter in Earth's ancient story, with the Vishnu schist at the bottom among the oldest exposed rocks on the planet. Side canyons and tributaries branch out like veins, creating a fractal masterpiece of organized chaos. The canyon's scale is humbling, a monument to time and the relentless artistry of water. As the sun moves, shadows and light reveal the canyon's depth and texture. From the air, the Grand Canyon is not just a geological wonder, but a profound statement about the age and power of our world. It's the perfect place to begin our exploration. We cross the Pacific to Australia's Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral system on Earth. From above, it's a mosaic of turquoise and sapphire, a living structure built by billions of tiny coral polyps. Over 3,000 reefs and 900 islands stretch for 1,400 miles, forming a vibrant underwater metropolis. The reef teems with life, manta rays, turtles, and thousands of fish species, all dependent on the health of the coral. Its patterns shift with the tides, and the reef acts as a natural barrier, protecting the coast from the sea's full force. Heart Reef, naturally shaped like a heart, reminds us of nature's unexpected beauty. The Great Barrier Reef is a fragile, living masterpiece, its scale and intricacy best appreciated from above. Now, to the Himalayas, home to Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. From our aerial view, Everest's summit is a pyramid of rock and ice, surrounded by a sea of white giants. These mountains were born from the collision of continents, a process still pushing them higher today. Glaciers scar Everest's faces, and the Khumbu Glacier below is a vital source of water for millions. The panorama is breathtaking. Lhotse, Nuptse, and Makalu stand as sentinels, their ridges catching the sun. Everest is both a challenge and a symbol of Earth's raw power. To see it from above is to grasp its scale, isolation, and majesty. This is the very roof of our world. We fly south to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. From above, it's an endless canopy, a living sea of green that breathes life into our planet. The Amazon River, wide as an inland sea, winds through this vast wilderness, nourishing the most biodiverse ecosystem on Earth. The forest layers are home to millions of species, many still unknown to science. Clearings reveal the impact of deforestation, a stark reminder of the Amazon's fragility. Yet the forest's resilience is evident in its immensity and constant renewal. Clouds rise from the trees, creating their own weather and sustaining the cycle of life. To fly over the Amazon is to witness the complexity and power of life itself. It is a vital, breathing treasure, essential for the health of our world. The Amazon's fate is inseparable from our own. Over North Africa, the Sahara stretches like a golden ocean, an immense sea of sand and rock. From the air, dunes form mesmerizing patterns, sculpted by the wind into waves and star-shaped peaks. The Sahara is not just sand. Rocky mountains and ancient riverbeds hint at a greener past. Life here is rare but resilient. Oases appear as splashes of green, vital for both people and wildlife. As the sun sets, the desert transforms, shadows and colors shifting in a spectacular display. The Sahara's vastness evokes solitude and awe, a minimalist landscape of beauty and extremes. It's a land of secrets, shaped by time and the relentless forces of nature. To fly above it is to feel the infinite space and power of the Earth. Even in harshness, the planet creates wonder. We turn north to Scandinavia's Norwegian fjords, where mountains plunge into the sea. From above, U-shaped valleys filled with deep blue water are flanked by sheer cliffs, remnants of ancient glaciers. Waterfalls cascade down rock faces and small villages cling to the shoreline, dwarfed by the landscape. The fjords stretch inland for miles, their scale a testament to the power of moving ice. The contrast of rock, greenery, and water creates a scene of sublime beauty. The coastline breaks into islands and skerries where the ocean's force is ever present. Here, elemental forces collide, mountain, sea, and ice, creating a landscape of mythical grandeur. The fjords inspire awe, a dramatic meeting of land and water. Our journey takes us into the Arctic night, over Iceland, a land of fire, ice, and cosmic wonder. We're here for the aurora borealis, the northern lights. From the air, a greenish glow appears, intensifying into ribbons and curtains of light that dance across the sky. This spectacle is caused by solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere, a cosmic event made visible. The glaciers and snowfields below reflect the aurora, creating a dreamscape of color and light. The shapes shift constantly, silent yet full of energy, a planetary light show connecting us to the sun. The northern lights remind us that Earth is part of a dynamic solar system, protected by its magnetic field. As the display fades, we're left with a sense of humility and awe. To witness this from above is to see cosmic magic on a grand scale. Our final stop is Ireland's Cliffs of Moher, where Europe meets the Atlantic in dramatic fashion. From above, the cliffs rise over 700 feet, a dark wall against the churning sea. Layers of sandstone and shale tell a story millions of years old, while wind and waves sculpt the cliffs into overhangs and sea stacks. The vibrant green grass atop the cliffs contrasts with the dark rock and blue ocean. Thousands of seabirds nest on the ledges, creating a vertical ecosystem. The relentless ocean shapes this wild edge, a monument to nature's power and resilience. The Cliffs of Moher are a boundary between land and sea, inspiring awe and legend. To see them from the air is to appreciate their full, staggering scale. Our aerial journey ends, having witnessed Earth's most breathtaking wonders from above. Each landscape is a masterpiece, shaped by time and the forces of nature. From the Grand Canyon to the Amazon, from Everest to the Northern Lights, we've seen the planet's beauty and fragility. These places are not just beautiful, they are vital, interconnected, and worthy of protection. Thank you for joining me. If you're inspired, subscribe for more journeys to the world's wonders. Let's cherish and protect our precious home, Earth.